Hey, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress on your system. It is super easy and does not take time at all. After the installation you can start building your website right away. So let's do it. First of all, we need to download WordPress. Let's go to the Google and search for WordPress. Let's go to its official website and download the latest version. We have downloaded it. Now we need to extract this WordPress zip file in our SDDocs folder in XAMPP or WAMP if you have any of those. Let's do it. So this is my SDDocs. I'm going to select it and extract it. So we have successfully extracted. Now we need to run it from our browser. Localhost/WordPress and press enter. So first thing you need to do is select the language. I'm gonna select English. Continue. Now it says that we have to set up our database name, username, password and host. So let's go and do it. To do it we need to create database first. We haven't created one, so let's create database first. I'm gonna give it a name as WP_test. So here you need to put database name and username as root. I don't have password in my phpMyAdmin, so I'm gonna leave it as a blank. So database host is localhost, leave it as it is. Table prefix, I'm also gonna leave it as it is, and click on submit and click on run installation. Now we need to give it a site name, so you can give it whatever you like. For your website I'm gonna give it a WordPress site, and username I'm gonna give it a username as admin. I will choose password as password. I'm gonna use a dummy email address. Now click on install WordPress. So we have done. WordPress has been successfully installed. Now let's log in. Yes, username is admin and password is as password as well. So this is a dashboard of WordPress site. You can build your website from here. You can install your theme from appearance, and you can install anything you like. You can get tons of themes from here. If you want to install any theme, you can click on install. Theme has been installed. Now click on activate. So it has been activated. Now it is our default theme of this site. Let's look how it looks. Yep, this is the site we have created. You can customize pretty much everything from this dashboard. So guys, this is how you can install WordPress on your XAMPP and start building your website, blog. It is very easy. Thank you for now.